Hi everyone, welcome to Bright Spark Learning. Today's topic is indefinite pronouns. So, what is an indefinite pronoun? They are words we use when we are not talking about any specific person or thing. That's why we call them indefinite. They are not clear or fixed. Let's look at some examples. Someone is knocking, nobody was in the room, everyone is happy. In each sentence, we don't know who exactly we are talking about. We just know someone, nobody, everyone. These are indefinite pronouns. Indefinite pronouns are used for both people and things. For people, we say someone, everyone, nobody, anybody. For things, we use something, anything, everything, nothing. Here is a very important grammar rule. Most indefinite pronouns are singular, even if they talk about many people. So, we use singular verbs with them. Say, everyone is ready. Don't say, everyone are ready. Let's fix some common mistakes. Number 1, everyone are excited. Everyone is excited. Number 2, nobody have come. Wrong. Nobody has come. Correct. Number 3, each student want to play. Wrong. Each student wants to play. Correct. So remember words like everyone, nobody, each. Always take a singular verb. Here's a small tip to help you. If the word ends in one, buddy, or think like someone, anybody, everything, it is always singular. So, the verb must also be singular. Let's test our understanding with a quick quiz. Choose the correct verb. Somebody dash calling you. Is or are. Number 2, everyone dash ready. Is or are. Pause the video, write your answer in the comments, and let's check them next. Here are the correct answers. Somebody is calling you. Everyone is ready. Great job! If you got them right, keep practicing. If this video helped you, give it a like, leave a comment, and subscribe to Bright Spark Learning. I will see you in the next video with more fun and simple grammar lessons. Thank you.